Hello everyone. Now it's time for maths. We had done second chapter, and in that second chapter we had done the topic adding bigger numbers. Of 4-digit number we had done addition, and afterward how can we check our addition that we had done. Now today we will do page number 42, problem sums. Okay. Now here, how can we do the problem sums? So for that there are certain steps to solve the problem sums. Here is one example. Red house made 72 flags to decorate the stands for sports day. Blue house made 23 more flags than that. How many flags did blue house make? So for the decoration, red house made 72 flags and blue house made 23 more than that. So what will we do? So there are certain steps to understand the question. So first of all, we will see the first step, read the problem and understand the question. So we read this question and we know that red house made 72 flags and blue house made 23 more than red house. So what we have to do, we know how many flags red house had made. We know that blue house had made more flags than red house, and we know how many more. We have to find out how many flags they made. Blue house ने red house से 23 फ्लैग्स ज़्यादा बनाए हैं और हमारे पास रेड हाउस का फिगर है 72 और ब्लू हाउस ने उसमें 23 फ्लैग्स जो रेड हाउस के थे उससे 23 ज़्यादा बनाए हैं. तो क्या करना है? स्टेप 2, find the information in the problem. Now what is the information is given in the sum that red house made 72 flags and blue house made 23 more flags than red house. So we will write here red house 72 and blue house. What will we do? We will add 72 plus 23. Now 72 and 23 two numbers we have for blue house. So now decide what to do. To find how much 23 more than 72 is, we must add. क्योंकि हमें देखना है कि रेड हाउस ने जो 72 फ्लैग्स बनाए हैं और ब्लू हाउस ने रेड हाउस से 23 ज्यादा बनाए, तो जो रेड हाउस ने बनाए हैं 72 उसमें हमें 23 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Now next step, solve the problem and answer the question. So we will add 72 plus 23 is equals to 95. Now we have to write the answer. Blue house made 95 flags. So 72 plus 23 is equal to 95. The answer is 95 and we have to write like this. Blue house made 95 flags. Now step 5, that we have to check our answer. So how will we check the answer? 3 points checklist for answer. First of all, is the calculation correct? I have added up and the calculation is correct. Now as we had seen in last period that how can we check our addition? So we can check our answer by adding up. So we had check here 72 plus 23 is equal to 95 and we will do adding up also, means 23 plus 72 also. So both the answer should be same. That is the checking process. Now second, have you answered the question correctly? जो आपने जो आंसर दिया है क्वेश्चन का, क्या वो सही है? यस, आई हैव फाउंड द नंबर ऑफ फ्लैग्स. So now we will see, does your answer make sense? So yes, the number of flags made by blue house is more than red house. So whatever we got the answer, that is 95. So that is the number that blue house made 95 flags and red house made 72. So 95 is bigger than 72, because what we need for answer, we need blue house made 23 more than red house. So this is the method for checklist for answers. So you can remember the steps like these also, it is given here. Steps for problem solving. First of all, R for read, means we have to read the question carefully. Second, F for find, हमें क्या आंसर चाहिए, हमें उसमें वो ढूंढना है. देन डिसाइड कि अब हमें क्या करना है, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन क्या करना है वो हमें सोचना है. देन सॉल्व, फिर हमें वो जो भी सम है उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड देन चेक बाय एडिंग अप. एंड देन these are the steps for remember. So you can remember this sentence also. Rita finds dogs so cute, means R for read, F for find, D for decide, S for solve, and C for check. So like this we can check the answers. Now this is, try this, that you have to do by yourself. Siddharth has some balloons to put up for his birthday party. So far he has put up 28 balloons. He still has 23 balloons to put up. How many balloons does he have to put up in all? This you think by yourself and try to solve by yourself. Now we will go to the next page. Here are also some problem sums. Now the topic is building skills and using extra information. Sometimes questions have many more information that you need to solve them. Ask yourself, is all the information given in the question needed to find the answer? Decide on the information you need and information you don't. Means कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें जो क्वेश्चन दिया होता है उसमें बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई होती है, पर हमें जो आंसर ढूंढना होता है उसके लिए सारे इंफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत नहीं होती है. तो जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमें जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत है उतनी ही इंफॉर्मेशन लेके हमें कैलकुलेशन करना है. यहाँ पर एक एग्जांपल है. अ फार्म हैड 25 white cows, 49 black cows and 70 chickens. How many cows are there in all in the farm? Now we have to see the question कि how many cows are there in all in the farm. हमें सिर्फ ये ढूंढना है कि फार्म में टोटल कितनी काउज है. तो यहाँ जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें 25 व्हाइट काउस, 49 ब्लैक काउस ये हमें जरूरी है, पर उसके साथ भी दिया है 70 चिकन्स. सो हमें तो सिर्फ काउ के टोटल देखना है, चिकन्स का हमें कोई इंफॉर्मेशन उसमें ऐड नहीं करना है. सो इसीलिए 25 प्लस 49 is equal to 74. This will be the answer. You don't have to add this 70 because 70 is the number of chickens. So there are 74 cows in the farm. The underlined facts are all you need to find the answer. You do not need the information about the number of chickens. As I told you, the information about cows that we need, so we can underline that information and we can add these two numbers. We don't need the number of 70 because 70 are chickens. So the problems given below can all be solved using addition. Now underline the facts you need to find the answer and then solve. Now here some problem sums are there. So first of all we will see which information we need and afterwards we will solve the sum. So here Preeti made 9 bead bracelets. She used 98 beads to make the smaller bracelets and 176 beads to make the larger ones. How many beads did she use in all? तो प्रीति ने कितने ब्रेसलेट बनाए? 9 ब्रेसलेट्स बनाए और उसमें से उसने 98 स्मॉलर ब्रेसलेट बनाने के लिए यूज किए और 176 बड़े ब्रेसलेट बनाने के लिए यूज किए. तो उसने टोटल कितने ब्रेसलेट बनाए? उसके लिए हमें कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन जरूरी है? तो हम क्या करेंगे कि हमें क्या आंसर चाहिए? हाउ मेनी बीड्स डिड शी यूज? उसने कितने बीड्स का यूज किया है वो ही आंसर हमें चाहिए. तो उसने कितने ब्रेसलेट्स बनाए उसकी हमें जरूरत नहीं है. सो वी विल अंडरलाइन first of all 98 beads and afterwards to make smaller bracelets and 176 beads वो larger ones. मतलब उसने ये दोनों जो स्मॉलर ब्रेसलेट के बीड्स है और लार्जर ब्रेसलेट के बीड्स है हमें सिर्फ उसी का टोटल करना है क्योंकि हमें टोटल बीट्स कितने यूज हुए सिर्फ वही देखना है. हमें ये नहीं देखना है कि उसने कितने बीट्स ब्रेसलेट्स बनाए. सो वी विल ऐड only these two number. You have to write here 98 plus 176. So afterwards and you have to add these two numbers and whatever the answer you got that you have to write here also. The number whatever you got beads she used dash beads in all, like that you have to write the answer. Same here we will do the next one. I am not doing any calculation here because I can't write properly with this pencil. You have to write properly and you leave the space between two numbers also and write the numbers properly. Second question, Aditi is learning sign language in a special school. She learned 78 signs in the first 2 months. She learned 122 signs in the next 3 months. How many signs did she learn in all? In this sum, what we have to find? We have to find the number of signs. So, we will underline she learned 78 signs in first 2 months. We don't need the time, so we will not underline 2 months. And she learned 122 signs. You have to draw the line properly. So 122 signs in next 3 months. We don't need the time of 3 months because we have to find the answer of the number of साइंस. हमें ये देखना है कि उसने टोटल कितनी साइंस सीखी है, कितने महीने में सीखी है, वो हमें आंसर नहीं देना है. हमें आंसर सिर्फ टोटल कितनी साइंस सीखी है उसका देखना है. सो वी विल राइट हियर 78 plus 112 and we have to add both these number. हमें सिर्फ ये दो नंबर को ही ऐड करना है और उसके बाद आपको उसका जो आंसर आता है वो यहाँ पर लिखना है कि she learn whatever the answer learn in all. सिर्फ इतना ही आपको करना है. ठीक है. Now second, third and fourth question you will underline by yourself in these both sums and you will do calculation here. Now you have to do this page by yourself and I think you can do by yourself. And now if you had any doubt you can ask me in the meeting also. Understood? So thank you and have a nice day.